Hi there, my trading friends, and today I got a very small amount on my deposit, just $10, but I'm gonna overclock it up to $4,000, and I'm gonna combine two indicators, stochastic oscillator and alligator, and of course I will be using my strategy based on the technical analysis. Well, subscribe to the channel right now, put your like, and check the link in the description under this video. Become a member of my Telegram chat. Get my free trading signals as well. So let's start trading. So let's look at the chart and find the first entry point. Here I mark the current support and resistance levels with the red lines because it helps me better to observe the market situation. You can see that the price bounced from the resistance level and then steadily moved down to the support level. Then the price reversed and it looked like the bullish trend emerged. But actually the growth is still too small and we cannot expect a big price increase in the near future. As for stochastic oscillator, here the moving averages are below level of 30 and the green moving average has crossed the signal 1 from top to bottom. This indicates that the price is going to move lower and the green moving average of alligator indicator crossed two moving averages from top to bottom and the distance between them increases. So I'm opening a trade down for 1 minute, investing $10. So here the price moved lower to the support level and I got the profit here. So it's another situation. Here you can see the support level is been broken through, and actually the analysis of my first trade is relevant here too. Moving averages of alligator indicator are moving in a greater distance from each other and the stochastic lines are also moving in the lower zone. So I think that the price will be going lower and this is a good moment to open a trade down, amount $18 for 2 minutes. So after 2 minutes we can see that there was no big move down, but it was enough to make money. So let's see what happens next on the chart. Here we have a large green candlestick growing while the main stochastic line is crossing the signal 1 from bottom to top, and they're also crossing the 30 level together. The green moving average of alligator is crossing the moving average from bottom to top, and I think that's enough to open a trade up, so I invest $33 for 1 minute. Well, here we can see that the indicators give us a good signal of the entry point, even though we were trading against the trend movement. So the price has been moving higher. On the alligator display, moving averages have intersected and the stochastic lines are moving in the top zone. I think the price is going to test the broken support level, which has now become the resistance level. So I'm opening a trade up, $61 for 1 minute. So here the price moved up and I got my profit again. So here I plan to open a trade up, and I can see that the green candlestick is appearing, the green moving average of the alligator indicator is moving above the other ones, and the stochastic display shows the intersection of moving averages in the upper zone. So I invest $113 in my up trade for 2 minutes. Well, actually it wasn't the perfect entry point, but I managed to make money here as well. Next I'm gonna open a trade after a small price rollback in exactly the same scenario. So, an up trade for 2 minutes. So, it's been quite a dangerous moment, but anyway, I closed this trade profitably. Here the price has been moving higher and there are impulsive candlesticks up and down. The distance between the alligator moving averages increases, which indicates a strengthening of the uptrend. So I have waited for a more obvious intersection of the signal red line on the stochastic display and I can open a trade up for 1 minute. So here the price went higher than my entry point, so I made money on this trade too. Here the price bounced a little and then again goes up. I waited for more obvious signals on the indicators and I can invest my entire deposit amount for an up trade for 1 minute. So here the price really went up and I again got my profit. So let's analyze the market next. So here the price moved down, broke through the support level and moved in the flat zone under it. But now the price is moving in the flat zone above the support level, so it is traded much lower than the zone of the strong fall, and I expect the price to go down. As for alligator indicator, well, the green moving average is crossing the other ones from top to bottom, and this is the signal from the stochastic oscillator, and I can open a trade down for 1 minute actually. So here the price went down and I again got my profit. So here you can see the moving averages of oscillator gone above the 30 level and the intersection as well. So I have waited for alligator green moving average crossing the other moving averages, and then I can open a trade up for 2 minutes. Well, everything successful and again got my profit. Well, let's look at my deposit today, and I got $4,600. Well, the goal is completed. So everything is successful and I got $4,000 on my deposit. Everything thanks to the technical analysis and the signals of the indicators. And of course, you know that these indicators can give you false signals. You should be very careful. So guys, and I have my own Telegram chat. To get into that, you need to write to me the code word private into my personal Telegram messages, and then I will add you to the closed chat with free trading signals. So don't forget to subscribe to the channel, put your like, and see you in the next video.